Why viruses are so hard to kill? That's because viruses are simply not alive. That one fact changes everything. Let's get into it. To be alive, you need to tick these boxes, such as made of cells, has metabolism, grows, responds to environment, reproduces alone. A bacterium does all of this. Now a virus. A virus is just two things: genetic material, DNA or RNA, the instruction manual, a protein cell around it called the capsid. That's literally it. No cell, no metabolism, no growth, nothing. Outside your body, a virus is just a chemical sitting there, doing nothing. It's closer to a grain of sand than a living organism. It only becomes a problem when it gets inside you. So, how does a chemical make you sick? 4 steps. Attach. The virus has proteins on its surface. They fit specific receptors on your cells, like a key and lock. Coronavirus fits ACE2 receptors on your lung cells. That's why it hits the lungs. Enter. It fuses with the cell membrane, gets inside. Hijack. This is the scariest part. The virus releases its own genetic material. Your cells reads it like normal instructions and starts building new viruses. Your ribosomes, your energy, your machinery, all working for the virus now. Release. New viruses burst out, sometimes destroying the cell completely. Then they go to infect the next neighboring cells. One virus, 24 hours, 10,000 copies. Why it's so hard to kill? Antibiotics work because bacteria have their own stuff. Penicillin destroys the bacterial cell wall. Tetracycline blocks bacterial ribosomes. Fluoroquinolones stop bacterial replication. We hit the bacteria, your cells are fine. Now try that with a virus. No cell wall, no ribosomes, no metabolism, nothing to target. And when the virus is replicating, it's using your own machinery. So any drug that blocks viral replication risks hitting your own cells too. That's the problem. The antivirals that do work, they find something unique to that specific virus. Tamiflu blocks a viral enzyme that helps flu escape your cells. HIV drugs blocks reverse transcriptase, an enzyme only viruses use. Acyclovir targets herpes virus DNA polymerase specifically. Each one took years of research for one drug for one virus. That's why we have antibiotics for hundreds of bacterial infections but antivirals for only a handful of viruses. How we actually win. So if drugs are that limited, why aren't we all dead? 2 reasons. Your immune system, it handles most viral infections without any drug. The fever, the fatigue, the body aches. That's not the virus hurting you. That's your body fighting. Antibodies neutralize viruses before they enter cells. T cells destroys infected cells before the virus spreads. Most of the time your body wins. You just feel terrible when it does. Vaccines. A vaccine does not treat infection, it trains your immune system before the virus shows up. So when the real virus arrives, your body already knows it, responses in hours instead of days. With virus, prevention beats treatment almost every time. That's not a limitation, that's just the biology. So, viruses are not alive. No metabolism, no cell, no independent existence. That's exactly why killing them is so hard. You can't poison something with no metabolism. You can't starve something that does not eat. Your immune system is the best antiviral we have. Vaccines just make it smarter. If this made sense, then please do give a subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on topics covering STEM, military technology, etc. and history. Thank you.